Good evening, everyone. We will be presenting our group project on MIS. I am Maribel Camid, and I will be the first presenter. The business that we chose is milk tea business that also offers snacks, namely Pretty Cravings. It is a beverage chain store serving tea and light refreshments. It was formulated to participate in the current trend of increasing healthy living lifestyles. Our product differentiation strategy aims to direct a customer's attention, which is we are offering a healthy beverages because our milk tea has hydraulic powder collagen and other vitamins and minerals. This will be our edge or competitive advantage over other milk tea businesses, and also to position our business in the market. Milk tea is best paired with snacks, so snacks are included on our menu, and the customers have the option of different flavors to choose from on burger, fries, and waffle. We did our cost-benefit analysis as basis of pricing our product, in which we add a markup on our production costs, such as ingredients, labor, and overhead. Based on our computation, we will have our return of investment after 3 months. The customer has the option to choose their preferred sugar level and add-ons on their drinks. The sizes of our drinks are regular or large. For the next topic, it is to be discussed by Ma'am Christina Joyce. Thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Bell, for the introduction of our business concept. For the continuation, I will be discussing the proposed place and promotion plan of Pretty Cravings. So we propose us to place our first store inside Marikina City. Of course, we know that Marikina City is known as the shoe capital of the Philippines, owing to its famous shoe industry, and they are the biggest manufacturer of shoes in the Philippines, producing almost 70% of shoes made in the country. And according to Wikipedia, one of the builders of the Jesus de la Peña Chapel was a young priest named Martina who was given the task of baptizing children to Christianity. Because of this noble job, Martina was named in his honor. Also, it is said that before the Spaniards came to Marikina, a beautiful, virtuous, polite, and intelligent lady named Maria Pina was residing in the town. So because of her expertise in the business, she became wealthy and her fortunes were expanded on charity. So she eventually became the famous and the whole town up to Manila. So based on history and documents, and the custody of the municipal government of Marikina, the town was called Marikitna in year 1787 and was later changed to Marikina. So, since Pretty Cravings promotes drinking tea, which would make our customers feel pretty inside and out, we thought of Marikina talaga as the best place to put up the first store of Pretty Cravings due to its historic background, which also embodied and represented our brand. Because here in Pretty Cravings, our tagline is Drink Tea, Feel Pretty. So the store will be air conditioned for added comfort and will be strategically placed in the heart of Marikina, specifically in Shu Avenue and Santa Elena. And then for promotion, since milk tea is already famous here in the Philippines, as part of our marketing promotion, we will collect feedback from our customers through the form of testimonials and ratings. So this can be posted across all our social media platforms to create product awareness to the public. So we will also use these feedbacks to, of course, improve our services and to, of course, meet the demand of consumers for added value or for added customer value rather. So that's it for my part. For the proposed website of Beauty Cravings, Sir Ed will show us the website and its features.
Good day po. I am Ed Maverick Alejo. I am excited to present our website, which was created using Strikingly. We aim for a minimalist yet visually appealing design, providing a simple and pleasant user experience. As soon as you access the site, you will be greeted by our homepage that features our brand name and tagline, reflecting the essence of our business. Our website consists of 5 main tabs, namely Home, Menu, About Us, Testimonials, and Contact Us. Each tab is carefully designed to give users a comprehensive understanding of who we are, what we offer, and how they can interact with us. First is the Menu tab, showcases our wide range of products, which includes the items previously discussed by my groupmates. Below the products offerings, we also highlight our current promotions and loyalty programs, giving users more reason to engage with our brand and make repeat purchases. Next, next po is the About Us sections. This section offers an in-depth look into the origin of our business, how we started, what motivated us, and the passion that drives us to provide quality products. In this section, we also share our goals such as delivering flavorful experience to every customer and maintaining a strong commitment to high standards in our offerings. Next is the testimonial section. This this is where we display feedbacks from our customers. This is one of the most important section as it showcases the real sentiments, experience, and satisfaction level of those who have tried our products and services. Positive testimonials from happy customers serve as proof of the quality we promise to deliver and help build trust with new visitors. Finally is the Contact Us tab. This is dedicated to making communication as easy as possible for our users. Here, visitors can find details on our business locations, operating hours, and method of contacting us. We've also included an interactive form that allows users to send us messages and inquiries. This is done by simply filling out their name, email, and message. Users can reach out to us directly, and all submitted messages from our users are forwarded straight to our business emails, ensuring quick responses. In conclusion po, our website is designed not only to present our products but also to engage customers, create lasting impression, and provide them with everything they need to connect with us. Thank you and God bless po for your time and attention.